Today we will be testing the premium linear regression indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the premium linear regression indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 64 different strategies, with 16 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 869 indicators, with 363 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 60 of the winning indicators. 24 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best two a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Alright, so today we are looking at the premium linear regression indicator. You can see it here on screen. And so the setup on this, as you can probably tell, is that we are looking for the color switch in the main line here. And so we scroll back here a little bit more, you can see that we get this color switch, the main line, the middle line there, the center line, whatever you want to call it. We have it switching colors from red to green and back again. And that is kind of following along with a trend itself. And so, like I said, what we're going to do is look for that color change. When we get a break to the upside, that color change turns to green, then we are going to go long. When we get a break to the downside, we get that color change from green to red, then we are going to go short. And so that's what we're looking for. That's how we're going to test it today. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. Right, so the first signal that we pick up is going to be a short signal right here. You can see that we get that switch from the green coloration in that line there to the red coloration. We get a little bit of a push to the downside there, not quite enough to get to our take profit though. It got really close, and then it starts to reject this area and push its way back to the upside there, which gives us a long signal right there on that one. And you can see that price immediately just spikes right up and out of there, and that one's definitely going to get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, a little bit of rapid fire action there. So we get a short to the downside right here. We get that color switch in the main line there, and immediately we get a push right straight back to the upside, giving us a long signal there and stopping us out on this short. And then immediately we get a spike right straight back down, stopping us out on that long and getting us in this short right here, which we get a nice push to the downside on that one, and that one does come down and get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, we get the spike to the upside right here. We get that switch in the coloration of the line and a really nice push to the upside there, also getting us to our take profit. Go ahead and continue on a little bit more. All right, another little rapid fire area right here. So we get a push to the downside right here, picking up a short. Immediately we push right back to the upside here, giving us a long, stopping us out on that short, but we did get to take profit on this long as we make a decent little push to the upside here. But then we get a correction, pulls back, just barely gets below that line right there, giving us a short signal, and that one stopped out immediately as we spike right straight back to the upside there, and another decent little push there gets us to take profit on that one as well. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing, that way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that's going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. So this is our Discord server here. It is free to join. Most of the channels here are free. You're welcome to join and take part in most of the conversations here in all these free channels. But we do have a Patreon only channel set up just for our patrons to take advantage of some great advanced information that we're putting out for everyone to see. For example, Sasquatch here is an amazing Forex prop trader. He's putting up charts like this on a regular basis where he's marking out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, sometimes even where he is looking to enter a trade. And he is constantly giving some really great, awesome advice to everybody, showing really how to mark up a chart using price action, kind of pattern setups, wedges, support and resistance, all kinds of great stuff. Our newest admin here is Mike from Upright Trading. Does a really great job of helping people out on indicators. He's got quite a few indicators that he has created himself. Some are paid, some are free, but all of them are really, really great indicators. He really goes above and beyond to make sure that he's constantly updating the indicators, looking at new ways to improve the indicators, and just in general helping people, giving them on advice on how to use his indicators as well as other indicators as well, not just his own. Very, very knowledgeable when it comes to indicators. And just all around, it's a great environment where everybody's helping everybody out, supporting everybody, giving everybody advice, and just really uplifting each other and helping everybody become better traders. I highly recommend that you join us. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Scroll this back some. All right, let's go ahead and count this out. Let's see, get it in focus here. All right, let's go ahead and count it out and see what we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23. So we have 23 trades altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. 14 winning trades, as that's barely going to put us over that 60% criteria that we are looking for, but it got us there nonetheless. I was a little skeptical about this one because, as we've seen many times before, generally when we have a single line indicator like this that we are looking for price action to break either below or above, we end up getting a lot of whipsaw. and we end up taking a lot of losing trades in these kind of clusters. Now, I will say that we did not get a whole lot of consolidation in this year's time, so it is very likely that in a area of consolidation or range that this indicator could do considerably worse than what it did here. But it was able to squeeze out that 60% criteria and was, for the most part, when market was moving, catching some really decent entries. And so all in all, not too bad of an indicator, gave us a decent number of trades as well. So this one is going to go on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next indicator from here.